Hello guys, in this video I will show you about how to install Excel module in your device and how to use it. For this you have to go to the apps. You have to search for the Excel module, but remove the app filter. You will get to see the Excel module. You have to install it. For me there is no installation button because I have already installed it. For you, you will get the install button here. You have to click it and in few seconds you will install it. To access the module you have to go to the QuickBooks connector app. In this you will see the last tab, Excel operation. This is your Excel module which you have just installed. In this you will see all the features available in the module, like import and export. First let's start from export. While clicking the export button you will get in pop-up menu in which you will have to select the operation and dates. When you click the operation tab, you will get to see all the operation which you can export from QuickBooks to the Excel. For now let's select customer, and you have to select the date which you need, from when to when. Then you have to click the export Excel button. Once you click it, all the data will be exported in a form of Excel. Then you have to see, then you can see there are the import button, like import accounts, import vendor, import credit memo. I will show you the demo of import vendors. Like when I click the import vendor, you can see the pop-up menu again. In this you have to add the import vendor Excel file which will take the data to your system. For now let me add my vendor's Excel menu. Once you add the Excel file, you have to just click on import, then the import will be start. You can see in the background there are imports going on. You can see the progress bar also. Let this import finish, then I will show more about it. Here you can see there I got the notification that import updated successfully. Press OK. You can see the bar, it's green, means everything has exported or imported successfully. To see more about what we got, what are the logs, go to the view logs. Here you can see all the import file which I have imported in my Odoo device. For more better view, you can go on search bar, you can go on group by, you can go on status. In this you can see all the records, how many records are imported and what are the errors also. If you got any error, you will get another tab here which will show the error. Now let's go see where the vendor's detail came in the Odoo. For that you have to go to accounting, you have to go to the vendor at the top, then vendors. Here are the all vendors which I have just imported via Excel file. Like you can see, open it, and all the details which are available in Excel file you can see here. In this way you can use the Excel module for each application like accounting, tax, product and all. This was the short tutorial about the how to use Excel operation module. Thank you.